Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a very colorful glam makeup look, and if you want to recreate this video, just keep on watching. I have already prepped my face for the base, and I got inspiration from Jamie Paige makeup. She's a Canadian beauty influencer. So first off, we're going to start off with our eyes because it's quite colorful, and this is my first time to use this palette. I just got it from the mail. It's the Beauty Glazed Color Fusion palette. So I don't know how much fallout it will give me, so it's better safe than sorry. I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with some foundation, and it went right on my eyes. Perfect, Raya. We're off to a very nice start. So the reason why I'm using my foundation to prime my eyelids is because I want it to be coherent with the rest of the face, and since I'm using a very long wearing foundation, then it will guarantee that the eyes will last a long time. This is a trick that I've learned from Melissa Alatorre. Alright, now that that is primed, let's dive into the eyeshadows. This is a very colorful palette. Ta-da! It's a rainbow palette, and in that, what do you call this? Photo inspiration I got from Jamie Paige. She's sporting a very blue and yellow vibe, kind of like a peacock color scheme. So let's first grab into this shade right here. I think this is a cobalt blue with a dense crease brush like this, very packed, and then I'm gonna stipple that. Wow, that's pigmented. I got this during the mid-year Lazada sale, or was it in Shopee? It was on Shopee. So this is a random purchase, but I'm glad I have this in my collection. So I'm just gonna stamp that on the outer V. Not much eye work yet to do. I'm just gonna lay down the color so that when I blend it later, the intensity is there. But can you see how pigmented that is? That's really impressive. Wow, Beauty Glaze! You're not joking. You're not joking around. With nothing left on the brush, gonna use the bristles to softly fade in the color into the crease with small circular motions. So far so good. The eyeshadow is really blending well. Wow, Beauty Glaze. And then I'm gonna take this green right here, meeting the blue on the outer V. Just gonna tap it like so, using a flat crease brush like this one. This brush, I'm just gonna blend it here on the crease. And then lastly, we're gonna end it with this yellow right here, kind of like a limey yellow. Ooh, this is the first time that I've touched it, and it feels so smooth and so creamy. So I'm just gonna put that on the inner part of our lid. It's a bit chalky, but I'm using a pressing motion so that there won't be too much fallout. My first crease brush, and blend it all together. In fairness, there's not much fallout here, but I'm not gonna take chances. I'm gonna wipe it off with a tissue, and then I'm going in with my foundation. I need to be done before the sun goes away because I want to take a photo. I'm going in with my espoleur concealer right here. And because we have a very colorful look, I'm making sure to really highlight the center part of my face so that it will be balanced. And then I'm setting it with this careline pressed powder with a big brush like so. Brushing my eyebrow hairs upwards, and then I'm gonna use my current favorite, the Happy Skin Generation All Day Brow Pen, to mimic hair strands. This is really handy for on-the-go sessions, makeup sessions. Again, brushing it upwards. Taking out my bilena eyeliner. I can't speak while I'm doing eyeliner, so as you can see, I'm making a very thin liner. Tiny flick like that will do. Now I just need to copy paste it on the other side. The BLK Face Trio in the shade Rouge. First, I'm going to take the bronzer and sculpt my cheeks, and then put some color on the temples. This is actually the perfect bronzer shade for me, even though if you see it on the pan, it's quite light, but it's really perfect for sculpting, because sometimes my other contour powders or bronzers are very warm, so it looks a bit muddy. I'm going in with this brush just to further sculpt the nose. For highlight, I'm taking in the highlight shade here and the highlight dye spots of my face. This is a really stunning highlighter, especially for tanned skin tones like mine, like medium skin tones, because it's a rose gold highlighter. Very stunning. I'm gonna soften that out by using my powder blush again. It's from Happy Skin. It's a lip and cheek tint. And I'm just gonna bounce that on the sides. For coherence, I'm gonna use this for my lips. I'm actually gonna go over that with my lip gloss right here. And I think we need to do the under eyes, you know. So with whatever's left on this brush, just gonna lightly dust that on the lower lash line with my highlight, taking a little bit of that, putting it here, curling the lashes, Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. It's one of the best drugstore mascaras ever. Taking off the excess because that's too much. Well, pack up your mascara. Guys, is the final look. What do you think? Have I given justice to Jamie Paige's makeup? I quite like it, you know. It's very bold, very colorful, very glam, but at the same time it's still wearable and it's really creative. It fuels my artistic side, which is really nice, and I can't believe that it's very pigmented. This palette is really good for its price, and I will have to keep on playing with it. And let me know if you want a detailed review on this palette. I will try to make it as soon as possible, as soon as I have my final thoughts on the product. But all in all, I enjoyed creating this look, and if you decide to recreate it, don't forget to tag me on my social media accounts. All of this listed down below, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. Peace out.